I don't like this.
KONE M series in the dark.
Isn't that amazing?
Without inner doors at one side and automatic doors at other side. Takes forever to level.
Try to write it up on eye locking here.
Yep. I will activate the photocells when I come down. This side only opens to the basement. Automatic doors opens to the 1, 2 and 3 other floors. Very long living. Classic M series fixtures. Now what's the basement? I'm gonna activate the photocells. Hello? Nobody's here. Focus.
What the hell?
I'm gonna try the stop button going up to 1.
Oh crap.
You can wait here if you want.
Okay, yes.
-1 didn't work initially. Okay, this range is going very it's going to the number 2 and I pressed 1. I hate this leveling time.
When it's completely dark here, my eyes work like on camera lens, it not focus. I'm not seeing anything and don't.
This stop button was scary. I pressed -1 and it didn't work. And I pressed 1 and the lift go to second floor.
Yes. You can look at the indicator when you want, so I take a right
Yeah.
to 3.
Bye. I love these buttons. Doors are closing. Here he is. Okay, he goes to the basement. No classic leveling. Very bad leveling.
You called me.
Let's listen to the... Okay, you're going up?
Yes.
What about if you go to the machinery room? Come on.
What you did with the elevator? Crazy person.
It's a nice trick. Stop button cancels out all the requests.
Yes. You can listen to the machine and I operate the elevator. I listened to it for the last time. In the dark. I have a 7 minutes long video of you.
Waiting for him to go down. There he is.
Look at the leveling. I stopped it a bit over. Photocell activating.
No photocells here.
Only there.
Only at leg height.
Here it has it 9 minutes. This will be a long video.
That's it.